Mama said I should stop acting weird. I'm being too loud, it's just me and my depression beard. Who are you now? More is less and less, the less appears. Feeling true that, but I guess I got some ends to share.
Amy calling Madonna bitch too many times. She's like, whatever, bitch. And she goes,
hey, we know each other, but we don't like know each other.
Relax. Real? Yeah, hey, knock that off.
Sandra Bernhardt doesn't call me bitch this much.
Yeah, and we're friends. And we go back.
Well, can I ask what this is for?
This is her new world tour.
She's going on a tour, which I'm going to go to.
She's doing a world tour.
Yeah, all hits.
Really?
All the hits. 4 decades of music.
Like arenas?
We're talking all the hits, like Tropical, the island breeze, all of nature wild and free. This is where I love to be, La Isla Bonita.
It was funny that she sounded like every classic rock station when she goes 80s, 90s, and now. Version of you, because when you feel empowered, you feel like you can take on everything life throws at you.
You probably fly.
Yeah. If you're thinking about giving therapy a try, BetterHelp is a great option. It's convenient, flexible, affordable, and entirely online. Just fill out a brief questionnaire to get matched with a licensed therapist and switch therapists anytime for no additional charge. If you want to live a more empowered life, therapy can get you there. Visit BetterHelp.com/crackle today. Get your 10% off.
Man, we were at wit's end trying to find a song about baking or cakes.
Yeah, you did a great job though. Yeah, it's great.
That's a great song. Who is that?
Donna Summer.
Oh, I love Donna
It's
Summer.
free to disco, dude. Have a little respect.
Hey, man. I was alive when she was fucking pumping them out. This was my time, son.
What? You were a child.
Have a little respect for me.
What's your favorite Donna Summer song?
Yeah, doing disco.
What's your favorite Donna Summer song?
Fucking this one.
No.
And then the one about fucking the salt and pepper.
What?
Huh?
Salt and pepper.
Are you making?
Rodney, thank you for the call. Man, there's so many. My phone ring every day during the show. Every day. My daughter doesn't know what I do for a living. It's fair. I don't share anything with her.
That's good.
My daughter's also my aunt. I'll get into that after this next one.
I'm gonna tell you how that little fucking kooky mistake happened.
Okay.
Theater, New York City, Friday, March 24th. Get tickets at arishafir.com.
Have you talked about new Bobby wearing trendy clothes?
Yeah, dude, Bobby's a stylist, dude. He's signing rappers.
Yeah.
Be cool.
We were talking about B movies that had A-list celebrities at a time.
Because I didn't have like money.
Yeah.
I remember my real dad. We connected again at some point, and he goes, "What do you want? Let's go to the mall. I'll get you something." And he bought me a pair of parachute pants. What was that, Marshalls or Brad? I think it was Bradley's. Mrs.
For a mink coat, he got tickets for my other aunt to go see the Beatles on the Ed Sullivan Show in '65.
The premiere.
No, it wasn't the premiere. It was one of the. I think they were on multiple times.
Look heavy to you, Dan?
That guy looks like the guy that I changed Wikipedia to say was Gary Soder for 12 hours.
Yeah, you should have.
And then they erased it. I told this girl in Scotland that my dad did the Baker Street riff on the saxophone and I changed it on Wikipedia.
Oh, shit.
Hold the door for a lady. I mean, my mom made it clear to me my grandmother would yell at me if I didn't show courtesy, and my aunt